My name's Riley Fronapfel. Today we're going to be putting bigger fender flares on this Jeep Wrangler LJ. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is unhook the side marker lamp here. So we'll unhook that. And there is a bunch of bolts to take off underneath of here. Let me see if I can get you guys up there enough to get a shot. Alright, so I got the first fender flare off. I'm going to take a minute. I'm going to clean up all the dirt and throw a coat of wax or something on there. Kind of help prevent some corrosion from happening. All of these front ones have a plastic backer. I was able to reach around and grab it. 15mm wrench works on those as well. And 3 have they're just blind nuts into the bottom. This is a comparison shot of the OE versus the new ones. Quite a bit wider. Help protect my paint. So got the front fender flare on. These middle stubby flares are pretty easy. There's 3 bolts under there, but you just basically loosen them up, slide them forward with the front fender flare off, and slide the new ones on. For the rears, you have to pull the inner fender well liners, which isn't a huge deal because they include new push pins. Alright, we got the driver's side all buttoned up here, and now I'm going to head towards the passenger side, finish her up. I think they turned out pretty good. Need to wash this thing.